Hi, and welcome to our lesson on the zoo.
At the zoo.
Today we are at the zoo and we're going to learn the names of animals and what they look like. The first is a panda. Panda is P-A-N-D-A, panda. The second is a monkey. Monkey is M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. We've got a zebra, and zebra is Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Zebra. We've got a giraffe, G-I-R-A-F-F-E, giraffe. Giraffe. And that's a tiger. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. And we've got a lion. L-I-O-N, lion. Ostrich. Ostrich. O-S-T-R-I-C-H, ostrich. A camel. Camel, C-A-M-E-L, camel.
Camel.
Elephant. Elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. And a hippo, H-I-P-P-O, hippo. Hippo. Now, what does a panda look like? By the way, what animal is this? This is a panda. It's a panda. What does a panda look like? What does a panda look like? A panda is black and white. It's black and white. What does a panda look like? A panda is black and white. It's black and white. What does a panda eat? What does a panda eat? It eats bamboo. It eats bamboo. What does a panda eat? It eats bamboo. A panda eats bamboo. Elephant. What does an elephant look like? It has big ears and a long nose. What does an elephant look like? It has big ears and a long nose. What does an elephant eat? What does an elephant eat? An elephant eats leaves and fruits. It eats leaves and fruits. What does an elephant eat? It eats leaves and fruits. Leaves and fruits.
Giraffe.
Ooh, a giraffe. What does a giraffe look like? It has a long neck. It has a long neck. 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 It has a long neck. And what does it eat? What does a giraffe eat? It eats leaves. It eats leaves. A giraffe eats leaves. Monkey. A monkey has a long tail. So what does a monkey look like? What does a monkey look like? It has a long tail. What does a monkey look like? A monkey has a long tail. A tail. Long tail. And that was it for our lesson on animals at the zoo, brought to you by ESL Kids Lab at english-4kids.com or eslkidslab.com. Goodbye.